Recall chart of lesson 48. Exceedingly, justification, impending, harmful, check, becoming, reappeared, unsealed, deficiency, misinformation, encouragement, younger, radiogram, furniture, consumed, gratitude, awarded, authorities, subdivided, utilities, amounts, cheaper, circulation, altogether, autographed, savings, promptly, random, ultimately, zealously, destination, pursued, factual, childhood, steadily, genuine, perplexed, ahead, forwarded, yields, inefficient, musical, commercial, function, disappoint, determination, township, statistics, distribution, describe, requirements, complaint, privilege, direction, themselves, yard, conveniently, patiently, creative, congratulate, exportation, quietly, himself, undependable, however, electric wiring, scheduled, swear, circumstantial, introduction, supervises, self-confidence, faculty, entertains, interested, transportation, entrances, emphatically, frequently, Washington, Birmingham, Nashville, Harrisburg, Institute. To be, I have not been able to know, to me, to make, years ago, let us, to do, of course, Chamber of Commerce, one of the, if you want, dear Miss, sincerely yours, $300,000, several $100, 3 feet, 6%. Lesson 48, reading practice number 5. The secretary writes letters. A business organization, just like an individual, has a special character and personality, period. The public may think of one company as being helpful and friendly, period. However, it may very well consider another as cold, irresponsible, and indifferent, period. The face an organization presents to the general public as much to do with whether the organization is ultimately a success or a failure. Paragraph. A company is definitely affected by its correspondence. Period. Often, the correspondence written by executives and their secretaries represents the major point of contact between an organization and the outside world. Period. Therefore, the secretary who writes letters helps to determine exactly how the public feels toward the company. Paragraph. Good business letters are not the result of an accident, nor are they the monopoly of a chosen few. Period. A capable secretary can almost always learn to compose letters that an executive would be proud to send. Paragraph. The attainment of letter writing skills is gradual and progressive. Period. The first original letters you will write will probably be about regular, routine things. Period. An executive is usually delighted to be relieved of the difficult task of dictating such letters. Period. If you are successful, you may next be asked to write letters about more important, complicated matters. Period. If your employer returns your first attempts at writing heavily marked and revised, accept all the corrections with composure. Period. If your ideas help clarify your employer's thinking and, consequently, simplify the process of constructing the final letter, your efforts will have been quite worthwhile. Paragraph. As you gain valuable experience, you will also gain self-assurance. Period. The number of changes you need to make will decrease, and the number of letters that will be mailed just as you wrote them will steadily increase, period. In addition, comma, the time needed to complete a satisfactory letter will diminish, paragraph. Your real moment of triumph will arrive when you find yourself writing letters, comma, signing them, comma, and dropping them in the mailbox, period. When that moment arrives, comma, you are definitely on your way upward, period. Human relations. It takes a long time to build good human relations with customers, comma, but good human relations can be destroyed quickly, period. A simple mistake, comma, a defective product, comma, an improperly filled order, comma, or a sharp, comma, angrily word could result immediately in adverse public opinion, period. And once started, comma, bad public opinion can spread in only a few hours, period. The thinking of people can be influenced easily, comma, however, comma, and one of the objectives of any company's public relations program should be to exert such influence in a positive, comma, forceful way, period. This ordinarily leads people to look favorably on the company, period.